Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about IoT. What is IoT? Definition of IoT. So let's begin. IoT stands for Internet of Things. The Internet of Things refers to a network where physical devices equipped with sensors, software, and connectivity interact and share data with each other over the Internet. These devices can range from everyday items like home appliances to advanced machinery used in industries. The primary goal of IoT is to enable seamless communication between devices, improving efficiency and creating smart systems.